In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect InnovestX in Tradingview. First, make sure you're on your computer or a device with a browser open. To get started, go to the Tradingview website by typing the address into your browser's address bar and pressing Enter. Once the page loads, you should see the main Tradingview interface with charts, tools, and menu options. If you have an account, it's a good idea to log in so you can save your layout and connection settings. If you're not logged in, you can still follow along, but you'll need an account to fully use the broker connection features. Next, open any chart if one isn't already visible. The connection to InnovestX will be done from inside the charting interface. Look toward the bottom of the screen for the tab labeled Trading Panel. This is where Tradingview lets you connect to different brokers and trading platforms. Click on the Trading Panel tab, and the panel will slide up or expand to show a list of available connections. By default, Tradingview might only show a few featured or popular brokers. To see the full list, look for the option that says Show All Brokers and click on it. This step is important because InnovestX may not appear in the smaller default list. Once you click Show All Brokers, Tradingview will display every compatible broker and integration available for your region. Now that the full broker list is visible, find the search bar or search field within this panel. Click inside that field and type InnovestX. As you type, Tradingview will filter the list based on your search term. After a moment, you should see InnovestX appear in the results. Take a second to confirm you're selecting the correct broker name so you don't accidentally connect to a different one. When InnovestX appears in the list, click on it to start the connection process. Tradingview will open a window or prompt asking you to connect. At this point, you may be redirected to a secure login page or a pop-up where you can authorize Tradingview to connect to your InnovestX account. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions and make sure you're entering your details only on the official secure pages. Once you've successfully authorized and connected, InnovestX should show as connected in your trading panel. From here, you'll be able to place orders and manage positions directly from your Tradingview charts using your InnovestX account.